Right. So you just have a new website, and then you go to the dashboard to see this warning asking you to update your PHP version. That is very important. There are so many reasons why you want to do that, right? But of course, for you to be watching this video, you already know those reasons. So let me go straight up to tell you how you can upgrade your PHP version to the latest version. From here you can see that the PHP version for this website is about 7.2, and at this point right now the PHP version is about 8.1. So this is for Namecheap Cpanel. So when you go to your Namecheap account and then you go to Cpanel, then you should be redirected to the Cpanel interface. So right here you want to search for PHP. So when I search for PHP now, so select the PHP version, and it's going to load up the version interface for you. So right here, now you want to, if you want to change the version for a particular section of a particular file in your website, so you want to come to the option, then you can check which of these versions you want to check, you want to upgrade. However, I recommend upgrading the whole version for all of your website content. So if I go to the version, I click on it, and if I scroll me down, so you can see the latest version is 8.1, but I usually like to go a version down. So I'll just go to the 8.0 version. I'm gonna scroll back up and set as current. So I'm gonna set that I'm gonna set the version now to 8.0. So it's been set to 8.0. If you go back to option, you can also see that it's been set to 8.0 as a current version for your website. So if I go back to the dashboard for my website now, and if I reload this page, so it's gonna that warning is just gonna automatically disappear, which means the PHP version has been updated successfully. So that is how you can upgrade your PHP version for Namecheap Cpanel.